Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Sachin and today you are watching a video on the number system versus the class 9 mathematics topic chapter 1. Before starting the video, I have the two questions. First one, every whole number is a natural number. Is this true or false? And second, every natural number is a rational number. Is this true or false? If you know the answer to these both questions, I think the video is not much relevant to you. But if you are confused between the whole number, natural number, rational number, integers, then this video is or might be useful to you. Okay, now you can decide whether you have to watch this video or to skip. Now to answer these questions, let's come to the basics. And basic starts from the number line. This is the number line. This is an imaginary line which at center is 0, extend in both sides towards right, positive numbers 0, 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And towards left in negative 0, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.1, minus 2.2, minus 3 and so on and so forth. So this is the number line. At this number line, it's our choice to represent either to 0 and 1. But it is our understanding. If you see, I have represented only 0, 1 and 2. But between any two number like 0 and 1, any two number, between this number there might be infinite many number, large number, can be large like 0.1, 0.2, 0.222, 0.22223 and so on, infinite number. But for clear representation, we only represent few numbers of our requirement. So this is number line. So the first among these questions, suppose say natural number. Let's see what is the natural numbers. So these are the natural numbers we represent by the capital letter N. And these are the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, 5, 6, 100, 102, 110 and so on, 1001, 1002. So these all numbers starting from the 1 and going to the endlessly, to the infinite, are all natural numbers. Now our question was, every whole number is a rational natural number. So we should also know what is a whole number. So what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are represented by W, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, means including 0. Means you can say that after 0, or you can say in another words, that if we include 0 with natural numbers, it is a set of whole numbers. It is a set of whole numbers. So let's come to the question once again. Now it is clear the natural number 1, 2 and so on. Whole number start from 0 and 1, 2 and so on. Now come to the question again. Every whole number is a natural number. Say, this is a whole number 2. This is a natural also, means this is true. But it is saying every whole number. So in every whole number, there is a number called 0, but 0 is not a natural number. Are you getting my point? The question is saying every whole number is a natural number. We are saying that all the whole numbers are natural number except 0. So this, due to this every, Since 0 is not a natural number, so this statement is false. Every whole number is a natural number? No, it is not true. It is false. We can say in another word that every whole number is a natural number except 0. Okay, then it is true. Okay, now after knowing the natural number, whole numbers, the next one is integers. When we say integers, we explore both sides of the number line, positive side as well as negative side, including 0. So if we see integers, we represent by the Z, because this comes from a German word, Zahlen. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Similarly, in the negative side, -1, -2, -3, and so on. These are the integers. But between 0 and 1, suppose it is 0.1, that is not integers. Only these are integers, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Now, the next one is rational numbers. See, the second question was every natural number, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, is a rational number. So you should know what are the rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers are represented by Q, by the capital Q. Okay, and rational numbers are in the form of P divided by Q. P divided by Q, where P is an integer, means there is a numerator, there is a denominator. P is the numerator, Q is the denominator. But P cannot be 1.2, it should be integer only. And when I am saying integer, means it should be among these numbers only. 0, -1, -2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Similarly, the Q should also be integer. Means rational numbers are the ratio of two integer numbers. Okay, but with a condition that the number in the denominator should not be 0, should never be 0. Okay, for example, say 5 divided by 1, or simply we write generally, if there is a 1 in the denominator, we simply write it like this, 5. So 5 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. 5 is a integer, 1 is also integer, and denominator is not 0. So 5 by 1 is a rational number. Minus 10 by 1, this is numerator, this is denominator. Both are integers and denominator is not 0. So this is also a rational number. Now there is one additional thing, is equivalent rational number or fractions. What is this? Suppose there is a rational number 1 by 2. There in numerator P is integer, denominator Q, which is 2, is also integer, denominator is not 0. So this is a rational number. If we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator both, it is equivalent to 2. 2 to the 4, 2 by 4. Similarly, if we multiply by 5, 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 20, and so on. If you multiply this number by 25, the 25 1 the 25, 25 2 the 50. So these all are equivalent. These are equivalent. If we cancel it out by 5 or 25, 25 1 the 25, 25 2 the 50, this is 1 by 2. All these are equivalent number, and all these are also rational number because these are in the form of P by Q. Numerator divided by denominator, and denominator is not 0, and both numerator and denominator are integers. But these are all are equivalent rational numbers. But among these, the smallest form is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. Where P and Q are co-prime number. Co-prime number, suppose this is 25 by 50. You can cancel it out by 25. This is 10 by 20. You can cancel by 5, 2 or 10. If you cut 2 5 ja 10, 2 10 ja 20. But to 1 by 2 you cannot cancel numerator or denominator by any factor. Or in more mathematical terms, you can say there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. Suppose in 10 and 20 there is a common factor of 2. There is a common factor of 5. Common factor means you can cancel it out from 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 10 ja 20. From 10, 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. From 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20. There is a common factor. There are multiple common factors. But in these equivalent rational numbers, there is a one rational number which has no common factor except 1. Except 1. Okay. So this is the where numerator and denominator, that is P and Q, are co-prime numbers, which has no common factor except 1. Then this number P by Q form is called rational number. This is called rational number. So this was the first question, and the second question is that every natural number is a rational number. So is this true or false? This is up to you. Please tell me into the comment box. I will wait for your answer. If any doubt, please do ask. I am happy to answer. Thank you.